Bonjour, bonsoir. I believe you are here for a reason, you are here to make a quiche. Not something very complex, but something very simple. I will lay out the ingredients in order to make this quiche. Now, the quiche that we are making tonight is a ham and onion quiche. It is very delicious. I will vouch for that. Now, without further ado, here are the main ingredients into making this ham and onion quiche. First, you will need a pie crust. One. You only need one. You don't need two. You don't need three. You need just one. Okay? Second, you will need some meat of your choice, which today we're going to be using ham. And then you will need some green onion, some milk, about 4 eggs, and salt and pepper for flavoring. Oh yeah, you do need cheese. Don't forget the cheese. That is very important. Now let's get to it. First, we're going to put 3/4 cups of milk into our mixing bowl, and we're going to hold that off for later. Then we have our ½ pound of ham that we've gotten from the deli, and it's really up to you on how you want to cut it. We didn't really have a specific kind of way, and we kind of messed around a bit and figured it was better to cut it into small pieces. Now, for the milk, we're going to mix some salt and pepper to taste. It's really up to you how much you want to put in there. I just kind of eyeballed it and put it in there. When I said you needed eggs, you're going to need about 6 eggs. It does come out fluffier, but it is required. So you whisk the eggs until they're fully beaten. The milk a nice gold or yellow color. So we move on to our green onion, which we'll be cutting into nice, decent sized chunks. It's really up to you again on how big you want to cut them. And that's really all. Oh yeah, make sure you wash your vegetables. Practice hygiene. So, now we've practically come full circle on this ingredients list. So now we really just start putting it all together and mixing it. And actually, we gotta mention the important part of this pie or quiche is to add the cheese. Now we use 1/3 cup of cheese, and then we kind of just mix it together again, and then we put everything together after that, and the rest is just B-roll.